Evolution is a powerful force that has been shaping life on Earth for billions of years. From the simplest single-celled organisms to the complex web of life we see today, evolution is the driving force behind the diversity of life. It shapes life on Earth in countless ways, influencing the form and function of every living organism. The process of evolution is ongoing, constantly adapting life to the ever-changing environment. Natural selection is a key part of evolution. It acts on the variation within a population, favoring traits that enhance survival and reproduction. These advantageous traits become more common in the population over time. It favors traits that help organisms survive and thrive in their specific environments. Whether it's the camouflage of a predator or the foraging skills of a bird, these traits are crucial for survival. These traits are passed down through generations, ensuring that the next generation is well equipped to face the challenges of their environment. This process of inheritance is fundamental to the continuity of life. Over time, this leads to new species. As populations adapt to different environments and ecological natures, they diverge and form new species, contributing to the rich tapestry of life on Earth. All life shares a common ancestor. This ancient organism gave rise to the vast diversity of life we see today, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals. Humans are part of this grand story. Our species, Homo sapiens, is a relatively recent addition to the tree of life, but we are deeply connected to all other forms of life through our shared evolutionary history. Humans belong to the group called primates. This group includes not only humans, but also our closest living relatives, the great apes, which include chimpanzees, bonobos, gorillas, and orangutans. Our closest living relatives are chimpanzees and bonobos. These intelligent and social animals share many traits with us, including complex social structures and behaviors. We share a common ancestor with them. This ancestor lived millions of years ago and gave rise to both the human lineage and the lineages of our closest relatives. This ancestor lived millions of years ago in a world very different from our own. Through the fossil record, we can trace the evolutionary journey that led to the emergence of modern humans. From this shared beginning, the human lineage embarked on a unique evolutionary path. Our ancestors adapted to changing climates, developed tools, and eventually created complex societies. This journey of evolution continues to shape who we are today. One of the most significant events in human evolution was bipedalism. This means walking upright on two legs is a famous example. Lucy is a well-known fossil of this species, lived in Africa millions of years ago. Bipedalism offered several advantages. It freed the hands for carrying food and tools. It also allowed for better vision in open grasslands. This adaptation was crucial for the survival of early humans. The genus emerged around 2.5 million years ago. One of the earliest members of this genus was also known as handyman, was one of the first tool makers, using simple stone tools for various tasks. These tools were primarily used for scavenging meat from animal carcasses, which was a crucial survival strategy. The use of tools marked a significant step in human evolution, allowing early humans to interact with their environment in new ways. This innovation paved the way for more complex behaviors and adaptations. Later, another species known as appeared, had larger brains and bodies than their predecessors, which gave them certain advantages. They mastered the use of fire, which was a groundbreaking development, and created more sophisticated tools. Were also the first humans to migrate out of Africa, showcasing their adaptability and resilience. This migration led them to populate parts of Europe and Asia, significantly expanding the human footprint on the planet. These early migrations set the stage for the global dispersal of humans that would follow in later millennia. Section 4. The Dawn of Modern Humans. Our journey begins in the heart of Africa. Our species, Homo sapiens, emerged in Africa around 300,000 years ago. This vast and diverse continent was the cradle of humanity. We possessed advanced cognitive abilities that allowed us to think, plan, and innovate in ways that were unprecedented. These abilities set us apart from other hominins, enabling us to form complex social structures and work together in groups. We developed complex language and symbolic thought, which were crucial for communication and the sharing of ideas. This led to the creation of art, music, and culture, enriching our lives and allowing us to express ourselves in new and profound ways. We coexisted with other hominins, including Neanderthals, who were our closest relatives. Neanderthals were well adapted to cold climates, thriving in the harsh environments of Ice Age Europe. They had a complex culture and used tools much like us to hunt, build, and survive. However, despite their capabilities, they eventually disappeared around 40,000 years ago, leaving behind a mystery. The reasons for their disappearance are still debated among scientists, with theories ranging from climate change to competition with Homo sapiens. Section 5. The future of our species' ongoing evolution. Human evolution is an ongoing process. We are still evolving today. However, the pace of evolution has changed. Cultural and technological advancements have a significant influence. Medical breakthroughs have altered the course of natural selection. The future of human evolution is uncertain. However, one thing is clear: our capacity for innovation and adaptation will continue to shape our destiny. As we face new challenges, we will continue to evolve. Understanding our past helps us navigate the future.